So it's your boy Tone 202. Okay, I got this tire repair, right? Tire repair kit. I already did the due diligence on it. Here's the stuff you know, here's a little joint. Put it on. Now, like I said, I already did it. Basically, stick this inside of here and stick it in a hole right here, and this is what I did. It's just my little tire repair kit review. And I used Fix-A-Flat at first. Took me two cans. What happened is I had a screw in it. I ran over a big old screw. See how big that hole is? And took the screw out. And of course all the air started coming out, but I put some Fix-A-Flat in there yesterday. And then I put some more in there. Well, I put 2 cans of it in there, and it slowed it down real good. And, but I noticed it was still leaking. So I went and got some of this stuff yesterday and said, well, if this still leaks, I'm going to do it myself. And, this guy said he kept messing it up, the guy who worked there. I was like, okay, well, I'm prepared to do this more than once, but one time, boom, I did it. And now I'm going to see if the tire pressure holds up. Come over here and get some air. Get some of this. See if they're going. Come on, broski. Alright, well. Authorizing. Come on, authorize. Gotta use the code. Boom, there it is. Okay, so as soon as this kicks in, I'm about to get me some air. Kick in. Anyways, this is nuts. This thing is not approved. Okay. My card wasn't approved for getting air. Believe that? I don't have enough money in the bank to get some air. Okay. Not on that card, I don't. Okay. I want to throw some more air into this. See what happens. Anyway, so yeah. I'm just hoping the pressure doesn't just pop out. This doggone tire don't blow up in my face. I'm putting, what, 32 in there? Anyways, that would be horrible, so let me move my whole face. If it does blow up, it doesn't destroy my black. Move my face out the way. Alright, so I gotta put some air in it. And, yep. Takes a while to do this. We'll leave that 25. Still in there. Holding steady. Rock steady, baby. I think all my other tires are at 32, okay, 29. Alright, so it's working. 32. 31, and boom, there it is. Boom. Woo. Good. All right, so there it is, you guys. All said and done. You know what I mean? This stuff really works. And the price of it was 10 bucks for everything. There's a couple different ones. There's ones with just the handle. You can just buy the handle if you just need, you can buy the extra sticks. There's one where you just get this handle, and of course the whole packet right here. You know what I mean? It's worth it, you guys. It's definitely worth it. The 10 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Here's a washer I'm selling. Yeah. Definitely worth it. It's your boy Tone 202. Peace.